Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the wish list widget presented by the Ultimate Post Kit plugin. Let's break a leg. First, drag and drop the widget inside the page editor. You'll get to see the default version of the wish list widget that displays blog post with a publish date, wide image, category, title, excerpt, and a read more button. From layout, the maximum number of columns can be 2 for this widget. You can see it shrink down a lot to fit the window. There is a scroll bar to adjust the column gap of the items. Right below is the option for row gaps adjustments. Then there's the image size option that lets you change the image resolution. Lastly, the alignment option is for the content. From the query, we can set a limit on the number of items to be displayed or pending to the list. Using the include option, it's possible to show only the selected posts. For example, click on the Include By field and choose Terms. In the next field, type in the category name that you want to display and then select it. Notice the list is only displaying the posts belonging to the selected category. The additional section contains a bunch of switchers that can show or hide specific elements on the list such as the title, text, category, etc. Now let's move on to the Style tab. From the first section, we can set content padding for the list. It doesn't affect the images, just the text. Then we have a background color option, border option, and a border radius option right below. The padding option at the bottom works on the whole list. Then let's add box shadow to bring out a 3D looking view on the content. You can turn down the opacity a bit till it's better to look at. Next, go to the title section. Here you can add a hover style for the title out of 4 unique options. Let's go with the middle underline. Check how it looks. Then let's select a different hover color for the title. Lastly, change the typography a bit to make them appear with a new vibe. Next, we'll move on to the category. Let's pick a matching color for the background. Then change the text color to white. Try adding some padding around them to make them appear nice and big. You can also try the typography option here for uniqueness. In the next section, we get to customize the date of the posts. First, the color of the date number. You can also customize its typography. Then we edit the month text. Let's change the font a bit. Lastly, the line width and spacing. You can always erase the line if you want. For the last item, you can change the color of the read more button on the posts. Now that all things are done, you can have a unique looking blog list ready to cover your blog page. Nice and easy. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.